You gotta live life like you love to give, and you'll get the life you love to live. Follow your dreams and be unique. You gotta be confident, don't be shy.
Hey you, I'm Mr. Shy Guy, and I have a huge collection of magical shoes that I call power shoes. And each pair of these magical power shoes possess a unique power hidden within the sole of the shoe. And every time I put on a pair of power shoes, then activate them with a special power charm, the shoes energize me with their magical powers, giving me the ability to take on anything. Today, I'm going to share with you my very lovely Unbroken Heart boots and show you how I made them step by step, turning them from these to these. Welcome to my show, Mr. Shy Guy's Power Shoes. I've always loved country music and everything Western wear, and there's nothing like a great pair of cowboy boots, even if you're not on a ranch. Now in country music, the singers always sing about their emotions, feelings, love, and of course, having their heart broken. And everyone feels heartbroken from time to time. So I needed a pair of boots that would help mend a broken heart and help heal that sadness. Unbroken Heart Boots. Power. Mend a broken heart and fill it with love. Power Charm. Red Broken Heart. These boots were perfect to become the Unbroken Heart boots because they have red on them and that will symbolize love. So by adding some broken and unbroken heart elements, it will definitely help bring out their magic of love. And this is how I made them. For the powers to really work, I needed both a broken heart and a full healed heart sequin patch. That way, the boots know how to take a broken heart and mend them back to feeling full of love. Working with such large boots can be quite hard, so I used some glasses to help stand the boot up. First, I glued a broken heart patch on the back of the boot to symbolize walking away from being brokenhearted. Being brokenhearted isn't always a bad thing. It can actually help you grow and become stronger, and it will make it easier if you ever face a broken heart in the future. I needed to use clips in order to hold the heart in place so that the glue could dry in the right spot. I then put the healed heart on the front of the boot to symbolize moving forward towards love. Feelings and emotions are really important to have, especially if you're going to write a really great country song. Next, I put glitter heart stickers all over the boots to make sure that they will be full of extra love. Plus, they look kind of cute. Now these boots definitely need a little bit of bling because who doesn't want to be a shining rhinestone cowboy, as the famous country song goes. I have this really cool tool that heats up the rhinestone and instantly glues them to wherever you place them. It makes it really easy to rhinestone anything. Last, of course, comes the power charm. The power charm activates the shoe's powers. For these broken heart boots, the power charm is a red broken heart. And both boots need to have a power charm to balance out the powers. There, perfect. The broken heart charms have now activated the Unbroken Heart power boots. And that's it. The Unbroken Heart boots are now complete. And anytime I feel sad or brokenhearted, I could put these boots on and instantly get the power of love filling my heart. These are truly lovely power shoes.
You gotta live life like you love to give, and you'll get the life you love to live. Follow your dreams and be unique. You gotta be confident, don't be shy. Give like life is infinite, and you'll get what you put into it. Follow your dreams you wanna achieve. You gotta be confident, don't be shy.
I definitely won't get an achy breaky heart in these power boots. Well, thanks for joining me today. I have so many more amazing power shoes to show you, so you'll definitely want to keep checking back to see all of my power shoes videos. Plus, why not make some power shoes of your own at home? It's so much fun. I'm Mr. Shy Guy, and I will see you next time. And until then, remember, don't be shy.
You gotta be confident, don't be shy. Gotta be confident, don't be shy. Gotta be confident, don't be shy.